Okay, next na i-review natin naman si Thundercracker. Halos same lang siya ng build dito kay Skywarp. They have the same molds, same parts halos. Pati head sculpt pareho. Ang pinagkaiba lang nito yung color palette nila. Kung si Skywarp, black, gray, and lilac. Ito naman, black, gray, and blue. Tapos yellow. Ayan, kunin ko lang yung pointer ko. Again, thank you very much Blockies for sending these for unboxing, review, and customization. So sa head, you have the head armor, tapos red yung eyes nya, then you have the yellow part sa cockpit, then you have yung mga turbine or yung mga umiikot na fans, exhausts, mechanical details sa chest area, sa rib area, and then you have the crotch. Here's the back. Then you have the Decepticon logo. Ito, tama pareho silang Decepticons. You have the gray na backpack. Tapos dark, ito light gray, ito dark gray. Tapos yung kanyang feet ay or legs. Itong part na to or hips, dark gray. Tapos ito naman dark blue. Tapos may mga mechanical detail. May mga panel lines din. So pwede natin dagdagan ng mga black ink yan para mas maging mukhang detailed siya. Okay, and then you have the stickers lang to, very glossy. Then you have the hands, may mga alt hands din siya, and yung mga faction logo na pwede natin kabit sa kamay niya. Yan, pwede niya hawakan. Okay. Tapos meron din siyang guns mounted sa kanyang both shoulders. Okay, for articulation, up, down, left, and right tilt. Okay, tanggal lang. Tapos yung kanyang wings, walang articulation. Hands, arms, up. Okay, up, down, outward. Okay, rotation. Okay, meron. Tapos ball joint yung kamay. Rotation, can rotate. Tapos can rotate, pwede rin ma-rotate itong gun. And then you have the waist, 360, pwede yan. So, pop out lang yung head. Mabilis lang yung build nito, around siguro 5 minutes. Mabibuild na natin to. Very, very solid build. Konti lang naman yung parts, and kapag nakabuild na kayo ng isa, tuloy-tuloy na yung building process. Kasi pare-pareho lang naman siya ng parts. Okay, tapos dito sa paa, can move forward, back, and sideward. Ganda, what a kick. Tapos it can rotate. Tapos yung paa niya dito, ball joint din. So that's it mga mamser. Yun lang yung kay Thundercracker. Teka lang, ito kay Skywarp to. Teka, babalik ko lang to kasi nilagyan ko lang mga pangalan kasi hindi rin ako familiar sa mga Transformers. Okay, so, lagyan natin to, post lang natin something like that. Ito yung mga alt hands niya. Meron din siyang character profile na parang ganito yung ito pala, yan, character profile na circular board. Tapos merong QR code sa likod, yung Facebook page ni Blockies. So Blockies Transformers figures, Galaxy version 01, fun and easy to build, space saver, desk toy, and superb articulation. Thank you very much Blockies for sending these for unboxing, review, and customization. Okay, next natin na review si Ratchet.